Hello, this video is regarding FSSAI license, that is also called FSSAI license. This license system is related with food manufacturing and chain of food business operators. It is related with food business operator FBOs. In legal term, it is called FBOs operators. So prior to 23rd August 2006, there are various rules and acts under which the food manufacturing units are governed. There is no uniqueness, there were no uniqueness regarding the licensing system of food operators. So, commitment of quality for serving the food on 23rd August 2006, all the food safety related acts come under one act, that is known as Food Safety and Standard Authority of India FSSAI Act 2006. So through this video I will tell you what is the FSSAI licensing system, how will you get the FSSAI license if you are a food operator, food manufacturing unit, what are the benefits associated with it, and what is the procedure to get FSSAI license, and what are the documents required to get FSSAI license. So let's start. According to FSSAI Act 2006, it is mandatory to obtain food license for everyone who are in the chain of food business operator, that is called FBOs. Every branch of food supply chain, retailer to manufacturer, has to get registered his or her firm or company under FSSAI according to their food business activity, like manufacturer, if it's distributor or transporter, marketer, repacker, retailer, hotel, restaurant, mess, canteen, etc. Well, the first step toward FSSAI registration for a business, food business in India, also known as FBO, is to check your eligibility and required documentation for FSSAI registration or licensing system. Then, food registration is granted by the FSSAI to carry on the business, to carry on the food business. The FSSAI registration or license is location specific and is also term bound. All the food business who foresee an annual turnover rupees 12 lakh or less has to register itself with the FSSAI of the concerned state in which the food business is operating. So, what are the benefits to get FSSAI license? Let's start. Having a valid FSSAI license helps business in enhancing their credibility and goodwill among consumers. It streamlines all the process involved from manufacturing to distribution and sale of food products in the market. It makes the food manufacturing more dependable on science-based principles, scientific approach. The important aspect of cleanliness and hygiene are regulated and followed when FSSAI registration is involved. FSSAI license or registration provides a platform to produce good quality food products that are on par with international food standards. FSSAI license is important for exporting and importing food products to other countries. FSSAI is setting guidelines and procedure for quality assurance of the accredited labs as per ISO 17025. Alright, so these are the general benefits associated with the FSSAI license and actual good taste in the business. So now the procedural part. What is the procedure to register FSSAI license or to register your food business in FSSAI to get FSSAI license? At first, the eligibility search for your registration and license will be done. Then filing of application for FSSAI registration will be done. Generation of application ID number by FDA. Scrutiny of your FSSAI application shall be done. Inspection of FBO premises will be done by the Central Food Safety Officer or other designated officer by the FSSAI. Then after all approval and after all the goodness, the FSSAI registration certificate will be provided to your food business or to you or to your entity. Now the next part is what are the documents required to get registered FSSAI license. At first, there should be requirement of an application form, then a authorization letter shall be provided by you or your entity, copy of ID of proprietor if you are a firm, copy of PAN card of the proprietor, 3 photographs of the proprietor shall be required, address of firm, company, copy of partnership deed if it is a partnership firm, copy of electricity bill shall be required, list of products shall be required, list of plant and machinery shall be required, list of lab equipment shall be required. Graduation mark sheet only science graduate or technical person in case of it is related with the manufacturer. It is a manufacturing unit, then the graduation mark sheet shall be required. The next document shall be required water analysis report for manufacturing ID water use, water plant based manufacturing unit. Then what is the services offered by the Lodox? Lodox offer state FSI registration, state FSI license system, central FSI license services, central FSI license for import category services, FSI packaging and labeling regulation services, implementation of food safety management system services, any other related matter that is related with the FSI licensing system provided by the Lodox. Lodox will help you, Lodox experts will help you throughout this whole process to get registered your business under the FSI Act and to get registered your unit in FSI to sell or to manufacture food products. If you need expert assistant, then you may click WhatsApp icon. If you have some inquiry, then you may fill this inquiry form and you may submit this form. So these are the information regarding the FSI licensing system. I hope I have resolved all the questions or queries regarding the same. Thank you.